What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Komodo KMD, which has been pumping like crazy guys. Obviously whenever you see a huge green candlestick it can only mean one thing: major increases in value. And yes guys, it has gone up a massive 124% in the last 24 hours. Not even in the last 24 hours, it all took place or started to increase in value late last night, and it's been ongoing ever since. Yes, there's been little dips in between, but overall it's been performing very well, and it's currently sitting at 45 cents. So is it a good time to buy? Is it too late? Is it going to drop back down? Or is it a good time to sell and take out your profits? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, and over the next couple of months and overall in 2022, how high and how low can this crypto go? And obviously looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into? Should you avoid it? Would you rather put your money into a different crypto? So on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website right now. Even though the whole market is down nearly about 4% in value, Komodo has been gaining an insane amount of value in the last hour. Even though it's dropped just nearly about 3% in value over the last day, is up 132%. It all started at about 20 cents yesterday at this time, and yeah, ever since then it's more than doubled its value. Over the week 108%, and over the month 162% guys. So yeah, it's looking very good. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 22,000% in the last 24 hours. That is a major percentage increase, making it $106 million in trading volume, which is an absolute crazy number. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto right now. I'm pretty sure those who did invest into it about a couple of days ago are on a major profit right now, and they're potentially selling it and taking out their profits. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So before we do that, we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is currently valuing Komodo at 23 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value, more than double its value at 48 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line has started to look a little bit bearish, going towards the negative direction, and the orange line is still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So essentially we've got two lines going in opposite directions. So over the next couple of hours I am expecting it to obviously pump up in value and dips as well. It's going to be a mixture of green and red candlesticks, but I'm expecting it to head above the 50 cents target, potentially heading to 60 cents as well, and then dropping back down in value. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, it's very likely we are likely to trade around the 50 cents target, which we are right now about 48 to 50 cents. Somewhere around there is where we are likely to trade, but do expect peaks and dips in between. Is going to be quite volatile. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we still got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well. So guys, an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect an overall increase in value on Komodo. However guys, if you guys have been watching my videos for a while and following my channel for a while, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, especially like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little breather. It has to dip back down in value, and the exact same applies to KMD. So guys, I am expecting it to take a little breather, step back down in value over the coming days. So dropping down to about 35 to 40 cents is what I'm expecting, and then potentially picking back up in value. So guys, that does not mean we're going to be consistently seeing green days every single day for the next 7 days just because I'm saying it's going to go up in value. No, we are going to see red days. Potentially tomorrow, the day after, is going to drop back down in value and then slowly and steadily start to gain value, potentially heading towards the 55 to 60 cents target. But I am not expecting any major increases from this crypto because it's already taken place, and the next step is to calm it down a little bit, take a little step back, and then slowly and steadily start to gain more value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, still not looking too realistic. We've got the blue line looking very, very steep, going in a bullish direction, and so is the orange line. So according to the graph, the chart, should I say, is telling us that over the next couple of weeks, so by mid to late August, we should expect an overall increase in value, keep pumping, keep going for a bull run, so on and so on. But that is not the case. Obviously, again, the only reason for that is the major increase here has made the graph think that it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, and it's going to keep going for a bull run, so on and so on. But again, that is not the case, guys. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, potentially towards the 40 to 45 cents target by mid to late August. However, as usual, it all depends on any major crashes, major pumps that take place. If you go into the bull market, then obviously we are going to see most cryptos pumping up in value. So guys, if you guys want to stay updated, to make it easier for you guys, what I have done is created a Telegram group chat which you guys can join, where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, what price target is likely to hit, is it going in a bullish or bearish direction every single day, guys, because more or less most cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. So that's why I made the group chat, and also be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. But don't worry, for those of you guys who do get in for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this group chat include? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin. Obviously, this is an old screenshot from about late May when Bitcoin was trading at 29k, but you get the gist of what happens in the group chat. And I also give you guys predictions and analysis on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. Anyways, back to KMD. As you can see, we've got the Fibonacci scale out here, but again, we are trading in the red zone. But not only are we doing that, we are trading in the lower part of the red zone, and we dropped into the red zone. When was this? About a year ago. Over a year ago is when we dropped into the red zone. There's been twice or three times here when we tried to break out into the green zone. We failed both 3 times and we dropped straight back down. And right now, for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least $1.33, which means going for approximately around a 250% increase, which I am not expecting from Komodo anytime soon. So more or less for the rest of the year, it's likely that we are going to be trading in the red zone and potentially head into the green zone mid to late next year. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on KMD, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next KMD video. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.